In today's video, we're going to take a look at the pound GBPUSD, and I'll also give you an update on the US dollar index, the DXY. So looking here at the pound on the daily time frame, the markets right now are, across the board, very indecisive, a lot of sideways action, and the pound is no exception. So right now, the market is having a really difficult time figuring out which way it wants to go, especially here over the past few days. So you can see how we've gotten the sideways action here over the past few days. Before that, obviously, we got the big sell-off last week, where we saw the DXY rally on Thursday from that 105.60 level. Now, we'll take a look at that in a second. But right now, I do want to talk about the fact that the market has been in a downtrend ever since July. And you can also see where recently the market has formed this equidistant channel. So we've got these two highs up here, we've got the lows down here, and also these two lows. Now, this becomes even more apparent if we look at the 4-hour time frame. So coming into the 4-hour, you can see that once again, we do have these two highs up here, and this is an equidistant channel. So meaning these two levels run parallel to one another. So we do have this equidistant channel following the downtrend. So this right here is all just consolidation. That's very important to keep in mind, because if you're looking for A+ setups, in my opinion, it's probably not going to happen within this range. Okay. The A+ setup here would be a break lower for a continuation of this downtrend. And when we zoom out, you can see where this market could target if we do get that breakdown. So we've got some very clear lows back here from late 2022 and early 2023, right around 1.183. And of course, we have that recent low around 1.203. All right, so 120.30, 118.30, those would be the key levels if we do get a continuation, if this right here becomes a continuation pattern of this downtrend to where we get something like this over the coming days. All right, break lower, target this low down here, and then also 1.183. Now, the big question for the pound right now is, where does this market go over the next few days? Do we get some relief here before the market carves that next leg lower? And one level that I had been watching was this pivot right back here. So just above 1.22. Now, yesterday closed above it, okay, which had me thinking that we may get some relief here from the pound up here toward the recent high right around 1.23. Okay, but you can see where today is having trouble getting back above that. So again, this was our key level. You can even see the closing prices back here, right? We had the market close above it. And now today is kind of struggling and looking like it might close back below. So if it does, basically this market is trapped in this consolidation still. So once again, I think it's going to come down to the bottom of this channel down here. If we do get a sustained break below this on the 4-hour and daily timeframes, then we're looking at that next leg lower for the pound. And of course, if we do get relief from this market, then this is the area up here that I will be looking for shorts. Okay, so simple as that. Would I try to play some relief here? It depends if we do get the market closing back above this mark to show me that it is going to target these recent highs, and I may try to play an intraday long. But as of right now, really, I'm only looking to play the short side either up here in this area or on a sustained break below this support. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the DXY. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying the content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon for notifications. Okay, so looking at the DXY here, and one other thing too, guys, if you do want access to my trades as I take them, you want to join the VIP group. I'll put a link up here on the top of this video. So I do share exclusive videos every day with members. We talk about exclusive setups. I share my trades in real time. So once again, a VIP group, you can join for lifetime access, no monthly fees or anything like that. So see the link in the description of this video. And you can also join our free Telegram group if you just kind of want a few extra setups each week, and then you can join the VIP group once you're ready. Okay, so looking at the DXY, this 105.60 level, this is the one that I continue to watch that is serving as key support for the DXY. So this is where we saw the dollar rally last week on Thursday. We saw the market come into it, a big rally back here toward these recent highs, right? Remember, as I mentioned in the last video, this up here was a fake out from the dollar. So naturally, this is going to serve as resistance here for the dollar right around 106.70. So that's going to be the level to get above. Now, the big question is this going to be a lower high for the dollar, right, to the point where we're going to get some weakness below 105.60, or is this all just consolidation to where we're going to get something like this over the coming days and the dollar is going to continue higher, right? It's really going to come down to, can the dollar get above these highs up here, I think if we see it start to break above 106.70, then I think this high up here gets taken out. Now, on the flip side, if we see the dollar start to break down below 105.60, okay, a sustained break below this, then all of a sudden we get that move down here toward the pivot right around 105 and potentially the key level right around 104.30. So a lot of room to the downside if we were to get, that break lower below 105.60, but just keep in mind that this has been a very strong uptrend from the dollar, and it's also still above 105.60. So I think you have to be really careful getting bearish on the dollar while it's above 105.60. So when we apply this to the pound, once again, as I mentioned, with the market right now, just kind of consolidating here within this channel, following the downtrend, right? Downtrend is still very much intact. We have consolidation to the upside. So knowing that the DXY is still above 105.60, this market is still in a downtrend. In my opinion, again, I'm either looking for shorts up here in this area, or I'm looking for a sustained break below this channel to get short toward this level down here, the recent low, and also potentially 118.30. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Once again, be sure to join us in the VIP group if you want my help with your trading and also see my trades in real time. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon. Trade well, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.